Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering Anthropic blocking rival companies from accessing Claude through third-party tools, Anthropic launching a new healthcare-focused product called Claude for Healthcare, and Microsoft giving IT administrators the ability to uninstall Copilot from Windows 11 machines. Let's start with some interesting moves from Anthropic over the past few days. The company has implemented new technical safeguards that effectively cut off indirect access to Claude that was being used by competitor companies including xAI. This happened through third-party coding tools and agents that had found ways to tap into Claude's capabilities without going through official channels. The safeguards went live on January 9th around 2 a.m. Eastern Time, and the disruption was felt almost immediately across both open-source projects and commercial coding agents that had been leveraging these workarounds. Anthropic confirmed this was an intentional move designed to prevent what they described as abuse and competitive misuse of their models. Tariq Shihapar from Anthropic posted on social media saying, quote, "We tightened safeguards against spoofing the Claude code harness," end quote. The changes specifically affect Claude Pro and Max subscriptions that were being used outside of official client applications. The API itself remains available, but the favorable pricing and limits that some developers had been accessing through these workarounds are now gone. This really highlights how valuable these frontier models have become, and how seriously the major labs are taking control over distribution channels. Moving on to more news from Anthropic, the company made a significant announcement at the JPM Healthcare Conference with the launch of Claude for Healthcare. This is a dedicated product designed specifically for the medical industry, and it comes ready to handle HIPAA compliance requirements right out of the box. The product is targeting healthcare providers, insurance companies, life sciences organizations, and even individual consumers who want to use AI for health-related questions. What makes this product stand out is the range of integrations they have built in. Claude for Healthcare connects with HealthEx, Function Health, Apple Health, and Android Health Connect. It also has connectors to important medical databases and resources including CMS, ICD-10 codes, PubMed, and ClinicalTrials.gov. The system runs on Claude Opus 4.5, which Anthropic says delivers improved medical accuracy compared to their general-purpose models. Privacy and data control were clearly top priorities in the design. Anthropic emphasized that all data remains user-controlled and is not used for training their models. Amal Avasare, who leads the product at Anthropic, said, quote, "Answers are grounded in users' own health history," end quote. This approach of keeping health data separate from training pipelines should help address some of the regulatory and privacy concerns that have slowed AI adoption in healthcare settings. Switching gears to Microsoft, the company has responded to what has been sustained pushback from enterprise customers and IT administrators regarding the Copilot assistant that comes bundled with Windows 11. In a new insider preview build, numbered 262.220.7535, that shipped on January 11th, Microsoft has given IT admins the ability to actually uninstall the free Copilot app from Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. This is controlled through a new group policy setting called Remove Microsoft Copilot app. For organizations that have been frustrated with having an AI assistant baked into their operating system without an easy way to remove it, this is a welcome change. It is worth noting that this only applies to the free version of Copilot. The paid Microsoft 365 Copilot product remains a separate matter and is not removable through this mechanism. As Windows Central summarized it, quote, "Admins finally get the power to uninstall Copilot," end quote. This move reflects the reality that enterprise environments have very different needs than consumer users. IT departments often need tight control over what software runs on their managed devices for security compliance and resource management reasons. Having an AI assistant that cannot be removed created friction for many organizations even if the underlying technology was useful. Microsoft listening to this feedback and providing the controls administrators were asking for shows a willingness to adapt their approach based on how these tools are actually being deployed in real-world business environments. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.